Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a gloriously modern 2-story, 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house for sale. It also comes with helper's quarters. If you need a upscale home, this house is exactly what you're looking for. This property boasts a breathtaking view of the Caribbean Sea and is located in a gated development in Cove, Hanover. The view is like any other. This house has 2 extra water storage tanks, sliding balcony doors, jacuzzi in master bath, double car garage, and spacious yard to host any gatherings. The land area is zero point 0.5 acres. Call now to get your piece of paradise. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end.